After traveling the world for the past 2 years doing some of the craziest activities possible, I created TFIL Summer Camp and brought along 20 complete strangers from around the world.
Kia ora, I'm Alana.
My name is Rachel Spratt.
My name is Michiel.
I'm Rose.
Samantha. I'm Erin.
My name is Claire.
Tessa. My name's Katie.
Hi, I'm Kenzie.
I'm Allison.
I'm Audrey.
I'm Jared.
Hi, I'm Molly.
My name's Caitlin.
My name is Sarah.
My name's Jess.
I'm Ashley.
Hello, I'm Alexi.
That became family. Facing their biggest fears together non-stop for 10 days, and I, Elton, was their camp counselor.
Come on to the front.
A little bit of a slide, a little bit of a slide.
Obviously people here made friends.
Yes. Best friends.
Friends for life.
Yes.
Have to say goodbye to each other.
Don't mention that. We're talking about that.
13 hours.
What the fuck?
13 hours.
That's messed up.
I can't.
And then you're gone, and then 12 hours later, you two are gone from each other, and then you won't see each other for about 5 weeks.
Stop. We can't cry until someone leaves.
Until someone
tomorrow.
leaves.
Yeah, we're pretending.
What?
Did you guys know this was going to happen?
No.
The first time you guys talked to each other, you had no idea that you were...
So literally when I came into this, I was like, okay, these are gonna be people that I like talk to casually because we're all sharing a house, so like obviously you have to.
Yeah.
I never thought that I would make like friends that I want to hang out with afterwards. Stop it!
Do you know when it happened?
We're so off.
First person I've ever seen jump out of a raft mid-waterfall.
I didn't jump out, first
You
of all.
tried dancing.
I didn't jump.
Way too late.
I couldn't hear him.
Wait, you should have been able to see the waterfall.
No, because it was that way and I was facing you.
Oh, that's crazy because I'm pretty sure your head can turn.
Alright. This interview is over.
This is the first time I lose someone there. But you're lucky. You're lucky. You get big screen. You guys won! Forward! Stop, get down!
shit. This is the rub that broke my finger.
That broke your finger.
I did it wrong and the knot caught my finger in.
Yeah. No.
Oh my god. Where do you jump from?
Right here.
Oh really?
Yeah, you got it. Go.
Woo!
Go. Plant one foot and jump. Just plant one foot and jump.
Jumped off so many things this week.
Just step back, even your feet out, and push one foot forward, and then jump.
1, 2, 3, jump.
She grabbed the bridge.
It's hard.
That's all. Dive through. Dive through. Don't miss. Don't hit anything.
Head first in your nuts.
I'm coming in hot. Go back. I can't. Jay, move. Jay, move.
It was such a fun time. I made great friends that I never would have made otherwise.
Was it worth it?
Hell yeah. I mean, like, yeah, it was. Like, how often are you gonna get to travel to New Zealand with a YouTuber and do a bunch of cool fucking shit in 8 days? Like,
Dope.
yeah.
Back in high school, my best friend died. And honestly, up until like probably I'd say like here, maybe just like 6 months ago, I felt really guilty just being alive almost. And finally I kind of like realized I was like, I've stopped feeling sorry for myself. I've stopped like being stuck in time. And I was like, I'm gonna start living life like how my friend would want me to, like what he'd want from me, and like to the fullest, because you never know when your life's gonna end or when other people's lives are gonna end. I came on this trip to kind of like help put myself back together and kind of like live out his memory. And I got his initials tatted on me, so it's kind of like he's here too.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, you saw how much everyone cared about you. When you had your first like asthma attack, like I had to literally tell people to leave because there were so many people around you trying to help.
I contemplated coming because it was like, oh, like $3,000. But it's like, would I rather have $3,000 in my bank account, or would I rather like go on this really cool trip, meet like really awesome people, and like have all these really awesome experiences at the end of the week?
Fuck yeah.
Fucking do it.
No, everybody was super cool. Like as far as just like getting things done and going to where we needed to go, and then following through and doing the thing.
Yeah.
Like mind blown, mind blown. I expected way more chaos. There was some chaos, but I expected a lot more of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just fucking do it.
Just fucking do
Just
it.
do it. Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah.
All of it. The whole
I'm
thing.
glad I did it, so just fucking do it. All of it. Anything you want to do, just go do it.
If you want to do something, you can do it. It will be really hard. I'm not going to sugarcoat it at all. It's going to be so hard. You really have to work for it. Don't let anyone tell you that like you can get this shit handed to you. You have to work hard, and you won't get what you want immediately. You have to start small, but your dreams can be infinite. Like you can have the biggest dreams. You can want to become a famous YouTuber. You can want to become a movie star. But you have to start sitting in front of a shitty little camera, or you have to start performing in school plays. However you do it, you have to start so small. But once you start to grow, you can change and learn from that also. And you can do it. It won't be easy, but you can do it.
Fuck yeah.
Don't look down, okay?
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
Don't look down. Look at the lake.
Look forward. Alright, look forward. Find you a tree. That tree's going to be your best friend. You're going to fall in love with the tree. You're going to stare at the tree.
What's the tree's name?
Damien.
Damien, okay.
Yeah. Not much Damien's out there. Keep on shuffling forward to your toes in yellow line. Where's Damien?
I don't know.
Come on. Madly in love with Damien. You need to find him.
Damien can stuff it. Oh, I don't like Damien.
Alright, find Damien. Literally, it's going to be the best way for you to do this today. I'm holding on to you, okay?
Okay. Fuck
But
me.
what I need you to do is carry on looking forward and find that tree. Alright, the more you look down, the harder it's going to get for you.
Yeah. Give me a minute. Can I just have a minute?
Now, the longer you take, the harder it gets.
I'm nearly at the calm state, and yeah.
Find your zen. Find your zen.
I'm okay.
I'm not allowed to push it unless you tell me to, okay? I'm not just going to random.
Okay. No, I think I can do it now. Yeah. I'm gonna scream.
Alright, so what I need you to do is you want to slowly start lifting your arms up like this. Okay, so keep on breathing in and out. Alright, as I count you down, you're going to slowly start leaning forward, okay?
No.
Breathe in.
No.
Listen to the sound of yourself breathing.
Put your right arm up.
You got it, mate.
Yeah. There you go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Head up high, head up high.
Got it.
3, 2.
No. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
You're right, but just the more you take, the harder it
You
gets.
already did it.
I know. It's just I know. I can't.
Yeah, you can. You've already done it. It's just a little easier. It's lower. It's way lower.
Yep.
You got it.
Yep.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, go. Don't think. 3, 2, 1, you go.
Okay. Cool.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Yeah!
Oh my god! Okay. I didn't die! Oh my god! I can see stars. I can see. I'm sure I look really good right now.